up, guys? Welcome back to the YouTube channel. Kill-Kam your ass. We got Coors Light, as always. And what we're gonna do, like the title, man, kill random shit cam, man. You know, gotta make a living. No, I'm just playing. What we're gonna start off here doing is I did make a video about the pool. Couldn't get to how I did it or what I did to it. And as you can see, it's pretty damn clean now. All I did is got the pump, was sitting on a block of wood. I tried out, I told y'all I was just gonna try out these two pieces here, which did not work. I ended up using a full long piece, like a full rectangle. Set it on there until it got low enough like it is now. And it doesn't it's not messing up the bottom of the pool. So I just let it sit level. And I'm letting the water run in it, build up a little bit, then turning on the pump and swashing it around, and it's getting it pretty clean. What I did with the blue hose, the flexible pipe, I put a zip tie around it about that far up, and it worked. As long as you got this straight and flat and it's not kinked, it will flow pretty sexily. Yep. That is how you do that. Anyway, I'm about to play some Fortnite if y'all are into that. If not, leave right now. No, I'm just playing. Stay, please. But what we're gonna do now is that I only have, you know, 2 legs to hold the damn phone, so I gotta get me a GoPro. But anyway, let's light this bitch up. Light this blunt. Excuse my language. I'm sorry. I try to have this cussing-free channel, man. You know, the kids might want to watch this. I don't want my kids hearing beep 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 beep. You know, every 5 seconds. But where's the gosh dang lighter? Found it. Let's go. Let's blow some shit up. Ah! I don't know, I just like it. It's sexy. I guess it's not gonna burn on the metal. I want it to burn everywhere, but it's not, so that's cool. It keeps the mosquitoes away, to be honest. Tiki torch from Walmart, by the way. It's pretty sexy. You're usually supposed to fill this up with like mosquito killer. You could, but I just put lighter fluid in it, because why not? Fuck. Let's find this button again, guys. Got it. Light her up. Gosh damn it. By the way, guys, I'm gonna go